N+1 query is one of the most annoying issues. It's very hard to understand, it's very hard to find and debug it. There is an assumption that we're taking about our code. We believe it's going to be executed one or few times, but in reality it's being executed tens, hundreds, or even thousands of times. The worst part with it, it's actually affecting the customer experience. The tools that we have in order to identify and solve it are not that great. It's hard to understand it using logs and metrics. Today I would like to show you another alternative. I would like to show you how we can identify and fix it using distributed tracing. So we know that we have a problem with delete purchase order. So now we're filtering only for those specific traces. Looking at the duration of each one of them, we can see that we're roughly talking about half a second of execution time until we find this one, which takes almost 2 seconds. Looking at this specific trace, we can see the order service is communicating with the user service, then the stock service, and then we have 20 queries between the order service and the order DB. That's the first clue that we're facing an N+1. Clicking on the database interaction, we can see that we have 20 of those, and each one takes roughly an okay amount of time. Looking at the timeline, we start to understand the problem. Each query is running in sequence and not in parallel. So if we were to fix this issue, we would probably run it in parallel or just use instead the delete one, delete many. And there you have it, we fixed the issue. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned something.